How to fix Fortnite loading screen freeze and stuck. First thing you want to do is go to your Windows search, type in run, hit enter, and from here just type temp TEMP, click on OK, continue. And from here you'll just have to delete all these folders and then that folder. Now, next step is go back to your Windows icon, type in percent local app data percent, hit on enter. And from here, find your Fortnite game folder, go to save, configuration. From here, right click on your Windows client file and then go to properties. And from properties, make sure that the read only option is unchecked. After that, close everything and proceed on the next troubleshooting steps. Go back to your Windows icon right here, type in display settings, click on OK, and then from here, make sure that your display resolution and display orientation is on recommended. Now, proceeding on the next troubleshooting steps, make sure that your operating system is up to date. Just go back to your Windows icon and type Windows Update. From here, you'll just have to go ahead and click on check for updates if there will be necessary files that you need to update on your operating system, please do so. And then once done, just restart your PC and then relaunch your Fortnite game. So that's how you troubleshoot or fix your Fortnite loading screen freeze and stuck.